So, welcome. I thought it would be fun to make some chili today. Now, of course, there are many ways to make chili. The one I'm going to make today is part of a recipe I found online, and I added some of my own things as well. What you want to do is first cut down an onion into small pieces. I am using one white onion today. If you are going to make this yourself, you can of course choose. If you want another type of onion or more than one onion, cut it nice and small and add it to a big pan. Mix a handful of ground beef with your onion. Add pepper, salt, clove, nutmeg, garlic powder or fresh garlic, and mix everything together and bake until everything starts to brown. When everything has started to brown, reduce your fire to low and add a cup of tomato sauce together with chopped tomatoes, 2 cups of kidney beans, a lot of chili powder to taste, and for an extra special taste, some dark beer. Not too much, but just enough for some extra taste. Now mix everything together and let it boil for 15 minutes on a low fire. The longer you leave your chili out to cook or marinate in itself, the richer the flavor should be, and the better your chili will be in the end. But if, like me, you want to do it quick, or a quick and easy food, 15 minutes to maybe half an hour on the fire should be enough. I put my chili on the fire for about half an hour. It has thickened up a bit and it smells like beer and spices. Very nice. And in case you are wondering what kind of beer I'm using, I used half of this bottle, which is a Leffe, a dark roast brown beer from Belgium, with a hint of caramel. Very nice. Beans in a bowl. You can also add sour cream if you want, or add bread on the side, or maybe even add an egg or rice. Who knows? Eat it as you like. Let's see what mine tastes like. Still pretty hot. Spicy. I added a lot of chili. And you can really taste the chili. The beans are nice and soft. There's a small hint of the beer I added. And the spices mix in very well. It's hot, it's spicy, and it's full of beans. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you enjoy my content.